During Valor's Wish Week, a first of its kind drone show lit up the sky over Highlands Ranch. I'm here with Ms. Gail Kakak, the head of the drones program at Valor, who is going to share with us how special the drone show was and how it came together. Thank you, Ms. K, for joining us
Sure,
today.
Lincoln. Yeah, I appreciate you having me on.
All right, so what challenges did you face while trying to create this amazing drone show?
Well, there were quite a few challenges from the weather being really, really windy, above 20 miles per hour, and just trying to get permissions, from Valor, from Cherry Hills. They had to have a couple meetings to allow us to get this drone show operational in their parking lot and get everyone removed from the parking lot. So, we had our own permissions as well as just the normal flight operational permissions. Like you cannot operate more than 2 drones at a time without a special waiver. So there's quite a few waivers you need to get from the FAA. And, the company did that on their own. And then I tried to get the permissions here at Valor and across the street at Cherry Hills. So, between the weather and that, it was, there's a lot to overcome.
That sounds good. What was fun about the show?
I think part of the most fun thing was just trying to think of what would make Genevieve happy and what she would enjoy. And then the actual programming of the animals and the scenes that we put together, and then editing the music to it in a way that we thought would be fun for her. So all of that to me is really fun and really exciting. And I got to do the letter V. That was the first thing I've ever animated, and it was really fun. And the owner of Bright Flight Drones helped me learn to color it and learn to program it. So to me, that was just a blast, doing something that ultimately is going to show in front of a lot of people and bring them enjoyment, especially Genevieve. So that to me was what was the most fun. And also getting my drone kids involved and letting them have that opportunity was also really fun.
And what was the company you partnered with, and how did they help you out to create this amazing drone show?
Okay, well, the company was Bright Flight Drones, and the owner is Tom Dolan. And I've been trying to actually do this for about 4 years with the company, and I've reached out to several companies. And I met Tom in September at a drone air show, and I questioned him about, trying to get involved with him. And he reached back out to me in December, and said, "Would you like to, help out?" And I was like, "Yes, absolutely." So in February, I actually started helping him, and immediately I basically asked him if he could help do a show for homecoming next year. But then I was thinking that it'd be really awesome if we could do a show this spring. And I tried to think of when a good time would be to do the show. And the only two events that I could think of in the spring were prom and Wish Week, which when I looked at the calendar happened to be the same week. And so, I got with Miss Eliza and asked her what events were going on, and realized that, at the movie night, we might be able to do the drone show right after the movie. And so it was really, great to have Tom be willing to do this for us. And when I explained to him that, this little girl has leukemia, she's 7 years old, I think he was like all about doing it and helping her. He has his own young son about that same age. And, the fact that he could do a show for this little girl was really special to him. And he was really willing to work with us and do this for her. So it was just a great thing, for Tom and Bright Flight Drones to partner with Valor. Since we don't have the drones or the capability, he made it possible, and his generosity and donation to the school was really amazing.
Sounds good. Thank you for all you do, and everyone at the school appreciates it. Thank
Yeah,
you.
sure, Lincoln. I appreciate it. Take care.
Thank you.